Ekwensu is not the devil in Igbo cosmology. And do you know that the mask usually used to represent Ekwensu is the Mberike masquerade? As a culture ambassador, one thing that I find myself always doing is a kind of re-examination and reconceptualizing of a lot of our indigenous knowledge that has been misinterpreted and misrepresented across the world. My name is Amarachi Atama, and this year I am going to be embarking on one of the biggest projects of my life. I have visited museums across England and of course the United States, and one of the things I have noticed in relations to my career as a performance artist and cultural ambassador and anthropologist is the misinterpretation of some of our artifacts, especially as it regards to the Igbo Mask. For instance, one of the most popular masquerade among the Igbo people is the Mberike masquerade. And this mask of this masquerade has been erroneously misinterpreted in a lot of museums as the devil. In the Igbo cosmology, we do not have the concept of the devil. In fact, what we have is tricksters and the evil spirit in that context, which is more Ojo and not the devil, as is said today to be Ekwensu. To understand the Igbo mask and the masquerade system, one must align themselves with the Igbo cosmology and philosophy and metaphysical values that would enable you understand the symbolisms behind what you see as an aesthetic overview of this mask, which is why I am embarking on this very important project of Igbo mask tracking and mapping in museums across the United States and proper indigenous conceptualization that will serve as an educational or guiding blueprint, not just to the museums, but to the indigenous people who unfortunately were not able to even align themselves with these cultural values, of course, due to the journey of colonization and today of decolonization. We need to align ourselves back to the proper pure indigenous values, which will be deconstructing the metaphysical symbolisms of these people. This will enable you understand the codes of what you see as designs and all that. In most of these masks, we see the Uli design, the Nsibidi designs, which are codes of communication in pre-colonial era. There is cosmology of festivities and rituals and other indigenous symbolisms that is attached to masks. Each mask you see represents a masquerade in the Igbo culture. So this project is something that I await to see the result of it, and it will take me to different states and different museums across the states. This is a huge research which will put me in conversations with a lot of spaces. I will be working in collaboration with my school, Syracuse University, my program's coordinator, Professor Andrew Saluti. So as a cultural ethnographic researcher, this is a project that I am very and wholeheartedly excited about, and I can't wait to see what will come out of it. So look out for it. Igbo Mask.